This year's function question was tougher than usual. You had to find the value of f of negative 2, f g of x, and this is the big one, f inverse of x. Now, this one is going to be interesting because there are two x's here. Part 1, 1 mark, f of negative 2. Anywhere you see x, let's put negative 2. 3 by negative 2 is minus 6, minus 2 minus 1, that's negative 3. We'll end up with a nice looking negative 5 over negative 3, which is 5 over 3. Why do I have the feeling like I did this already?
It's like deja vu, like I've been here before.
So remember, g of x is 5 minus x, and now we must find the value of f g of x. So this is a composite function. Composite function, substitution in functions. Let's do this. G of x is first, so it means this is the function that will occur first. So f g of x means to take this function, and anywhere you see x in f, I'm going to replace the x with 5 minus x. That will look like this. Notice anywhere you see x here, it has been replaced by 5 minus x. Now we simplify. 3 by 5 is 15, 3 by negative x is negative 3x. We can just drop the brackets here, and we should end up with, now anytime you see these questions pop up on your TikTok, you should try and do them before me. This is the answer. Now let's go to the hard one, which is part 3, where we are required to find f inverse of x. First step, let y equal to f of x, and the reason we are doing this is because we don't want to lug around that big f of x all the time in this question. So this is now y is equal to 1 plus 3x, x minus 1. Next step, interchange variables. We want to switch around the y and the x, and then our next step would be to make this new y the subject of the formula. So anywhere I'm seeing x, I'm replacing it with y, and anywhere I'm seeing y, I'm replacing it with x. The next step is where the difficulty arises. This was the first and second step here. Next step is to make this new y the subject of the formula. Now, the problem is we have two y's. How do we get those two y's to become 1 and at the start of the equation? The first thing we want to do is bring up this denominator here. Can you visualize it? It's going to be like x into y minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 3y. So if you understand the moving across the equal sign, this is easy. If you don't understand it like that, consider it like multiplying both sides by y minus 1. If I multiply both sides by y minus 1, it cancels with this. Next thing we want to do is distribute this x, breaking up that bracket, and it should look like this. X by y, x by negative x, negative x. Any term that has x in it can safely go across on that side. Any term that has y in it, we want it on this side. Our plan is to factorize all the y. So now we have something that looks like this. This is negative or subtract x, so when it comes across it turns positive. Plus 3y when it comes across turns negative. We are now free to factorize out the y. So y into x minus 3 is the same as xy minus 3y. Notice how y by x is xy, y by negative. Cooking. Chat, are we cooking? Yes, sir. So x minus 3. We don't stop right there, that looks kind of crude. So what we'll do is hit them at 3 dots, therefore f inverse of x is 1 plus x over x minus 3. And you collect, I think, how many marks went for this? 3 marks. So now let me give you some homework. TikTok homework. See if you can find fg of negative 5 and f inverse of x in this. Drop the answers in the chat, and I would like and respond to the correct answer. Love and blessings. Do your homework. Exam right around the corner.